Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now we are going to have this question. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is true or not. So we are having the value of cot of A. Cot of A is equal to 4 by 3. So we know that tan of A is equal to 1 upon cot of A. Now we'll be substituting the value. Tan of A will become 1 upon 4 by 3. So we'll be getting this 3 will come in numerator. So therefore tan of A is equal to 3 by 4. We know that tan A is reciprocal is cot of A. So the reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Hence tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Now we will draw a triangle for easy understanding. Consider a right angle triangle named ABC. Here this is tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent side. Therefore opposite side will be considering this as theta, or we can say A. Therefore the opposite of A will become 3 and adjacent will become 4. We'll take a constant K. Now length of BC is equal to 3K and length of AB is equal to 4K. We have to calculate AC, that is hypotenuse, and we know by Pythagoras theorem AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square we have to find out, and AB square, that is 4K bracket square plus 3K bracket square. Therefore AC square is equal to 4 square is 16 and K square is K square, and 3 square is 9 and here K square. Here we'll be getting 25 K square, that is equal to AC square. By taking square root on both sides we'll be getting AC is equal to 5K. So we have got the value of AC, that is equal to 5K. Now we'll be substituting values here directly. We have got the value of tan A. Now we'll be calculating cos of A and sin of A, and we'll be substituting the values in the given equation. So let us consider LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Now substituting the values, we will be getting 1 minus 3 by 4 bracket square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 bracket square. Here tan of A bracket square will be equal to 3 by 4 bracket square. So we'll be getting 1 minus 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, completely divided by this one, 1 plus 9 by 16. Now we'll be getting here cross multiplying 16 ones are and 9 ones are divided by 16, completely dividing by 16 plus 9 divided by 16. The 16 will get cancelled out and we'll be getting 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7, and divided by 16 plus 9, that is 25. Here is the value of LHS. Now taking RHS is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. That will be equal to, here we have to calculate the value of cos A and sin A before calculating. So we'll take the help of this triangle. Here sine of A is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is here it is angle A and opposite side is 3 divided by AC, that is hypotenuse 5, that is 3 by 5, and cos of A will be equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is adjacent is AB, that is equal to 4k, and hypotenuse is constant, that is 5k. So we'll be getting 4 by 5. Now substituting the values further, we'll be getting cos of A square, that is 4 by 5 bracket square minus 3 by 5 bracket square. Now we'll be getting 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, minus 3 3s are 9, and 5 5s are 25. That will be equal to similar 16 minus 9 divided by 25, that is equal to 7 by 25, that is equal to RHS. Now RHS is equal to LHS from 1. Let me give this equation number 1. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share. Thank you for watching this video.